What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And in today's video, we're going to skip over to Milwaukee deals. We're going to come down here to the DeWALT deals. Now, you can get to all of the deals. There's a 12-volt extreme platform deal where you buy a select bare tool. You're going to get a free 5 amp hour 12-volt battery. There's also a 5 amp hour battery deal when you buy select bare tools. I'm going to start with what I thought was a pretty doggone good deal, and that would be the Buy More, Save More promotion on ToughSystem 2.0 and ToughSystem 2.0 DXL. Because a lot of you were saying that you love the idea of DXL, but it was just a little too rich for your blood. And I can understand. A single box, although they're very large, can be somewhat expensive. So what we have here is a deal that's going to get you money off depending on how much you spend. Now, you can see this is a mixed page because in addition to it being ToughSystem 2.0, just DXL, there are boxes, and pretty much all of the boxes will work from ToughSystem 2.0. The thing is that not all the boxes make sense to put together with the DXL system. Like, for instance, the extra large toolboxes, because they're top loaders, you don't necessarily want to use those. But what would work great would be the drawers. ToughSystem 2.0, the 3-drawer unit and the 2-drawer unit would be a match made in heaven for this kit. I personally think that the Worktop is great for this system. You can see it here at $79.97. You have the 2-drawer system at $329. These are massive drawers, okay? We have the dolly at $189. The single drawer system is at $299. Like I said, these are the ToughSystem 2.0 drawers, 2 drawers, boxes. They will integrate with DXL at $121.29. And then there's the 3-drawer unit. Now, here's the deal. This is how Buy More, Save More works. If you spend $249, you're going to get $50 off. So you'd be at a $199. If you were to spend $399, you'd get $100 off. So you would be at $299. And if you spend $499 plus, you're going to take $150 off. Okay? So there's a huge amount of savings. My little asterisk would be if you were to have a shopping cart with a subtotal north of $1,000, you're going to want to split your purchases up, okay? Because you're going to want multiple $150 discounts. Now, if we were to set it all up, let's just say we wanted the Worktop. We're going to add that to the cart. We wanted a 2-drawer system. First of all, a single 2-drawer system will automatically qualify you for a discount, okay? We wanted the rolling dolly. We wanted 2 of the single drawers from 2.0 because we're gonna situate them on either side of the large boxes, okay? And then we wanted, we only wanted 1 of these. I'll change it in the cart. Now, here's the deal. We have our Worktop. We have a 2-drawer DXL. We have a single drawer DXL. We have our dolly. We have the Worktop. We have our dolly. Now, we're gonna put these 2-drawer 2.0 ToughSystem 2.0s. We're gonna situate them so they face outwards in the other direction. You're gonna have a pretty nice amount of organization here. Now, but here's the deal. For this, the subtotal is at $1,139.55. We're only getting that $150 off. So if we were to split this purchase up as evenly as possible, we'd get another $150 off. So we have our 2-drawer 2.0, we have our top, we have our box. So right now we're at $530.26, okay? We minused off $150. That brings us to $380.26. Okay? The goal is to get pretty much, so the total after tax, because we're doing an after tax number. Okay? The goal is to get everything that we previously had in the cart into 2 carts to maximize the savings. So we're at $405.45, right? You can see we have our second ToughSystem 2.0 2-drawer unit at the top here at $129.29. We have our rolling dolly, and then we have our single drawer unit. That comes to, after tax, $489.72. So we have the same boxes now, but we have the same, we've netted the same amount of boxes, but we've put them into 2 separate carts. At this point, because we've taken off the additional $150, let's see the balance here. Okay, so 405.45 plus, oh, good Lord, 405.45 plus 489.72. That brings us to $895.17. Okay. So if we were to 890, that's a difference of, it should be it. So 10,055.11. It's actually a savings of $159.94. So it's an even greater savings. It's somehow, whether it be through the taxes or whatever it happens, we're not just saving an additional $150. Somehow we're saving an additional $159.94. So you should play with it. You should play with it, but there's some savings there. So where before people were saying that the DXL, right? The DXL with a 2-drawer, a single drawer, a top, and the rolling dolly was north of $1,000. Now, in addition to those boxes, in this kit that we've set up, we have 2 of the 2-drawer units from ToughSystem 2.0, and we're still only at $895.17. Here's the thing. There's a lot of versatility. But like I said, it would all be case dependent. DeWALT has some promotions on FlexVolt. Okay? If you buy any one of these bare tools or batteries, and we've seen this prior, this deal. I don't believe it was this good though. Like, you could buy the 12 amp hour FlexVolt battery. You have their 60 volt max grinder. We have their Recip saw. We have their 7-inch grinder or their circular saw. You buy any one of these, okay, you're going to get a free, I'm going to back it up for you. Where is it at? You're going to get a free 6 amp hour starter kit and I'm sorry. You're going to get a free 6 amp hour battery and charger, FlexVolt battery and charger. It's a FlexVolt starter kit. So pretty much, if you were to buy into the deal, you're going to have everything you need. You're going to buy the bare tool, you're going to get the battery, you're going to get the charger. Now, what do I like in here? I like the circ saw at $299. I think that DeWALT makes very stellar circular saws, whether it be miter saws or just regular handheld 7 1/4 circular saws, sidewinders, rear handles. I think they do a good job with saws. So I like this one at $299. Here's the second one I like. DeWALT is not known for their Recip saw, and here's the crazy part. Their Recip saws seem to lack some of the features found in the competition's saws, especially Milwaukee, right? Somehow, in work and in testing, we have found that the DeWALT Recip saw outperforms Milwaukee's Recip saws. It's bizarre. The other thing is that, like, it doesn't have orbital action. This Recip saw does not have an adjustable shoe. Like, it's crazy, but it works. Like, it performs, and that's why I chose it at $299. You're gonna get like I said, you're gonna get the free additional battery. You're gonna get you're gonna get the free starter kit, 6 amp hour flexible battery, and a charger. Okay, here's the next deal. Where's it at? Let's go back to the DeWALT promotions. The next deal is free PowerStack starter kit. Now, we've seen this deal, a version of this deal, at a competitor store. Here's the thing. I like that this deal includes a PowerStack battery and charger as opposed to maybe a free 5 amp hour battery. I like this one a lot better, a matter of fact. Okay, in this deal, okay, you have the compact router. You'll see you're getting the free PowerStack starter kit. Okay, with that, it's like $179 value. You could get the impact wrench. You could get the ratchet. You get the high torque impact, 1/2-inch high torque impact. You could get the spiral saw, or you can get the atomic oscillating multi-tool. So you're at $189.05. You're getting DeWalt's oscillating multi-tool, plus you're getting a PowerStack battery, plus you're getting a charger. I like this one as well. The last promotion from DeWalt is a free 5 amp hour battery on their 20-volt platform. I kind of like that there are there are some promotional items in here that, like for instance, we have their 7.25-inch miter saw. It's a single bevel. It's a slider. It's at $369. You're gonna get a 5 amp hour battery with that. I really do like their boombox. I like the DeWalt radio. It's a 21810. I like this offering. Plus, they have the atomic one-handed Recip saw at $199. Once again, you don't really think of, in my opinion, you don't really think of DeWalt when it comes to Recip saws, but their atomic one-handed Recip saw is pretty formidable. I like it. I think it's pretty doggone good. Let's go over some comments, questions, and concerns. She spent over $100 for their cheap drill and impact instead of just grabbing one of the $99 tools around Father's Day. It's always a bummer, dude. I wish she told me so I could have helped her pick. That would have been good. Or, Sammy, you could have just shared the channel with her and we could have all helped her. Michael says the average Joe wouldn't know differences. This is the truth, and that's why you should share this channel with all your homeowner and DIYer friends so they are better informed. I want to say a special thank you to each and every one of you for tuning in today. I hope you got the deal that you needed, but if you didn't, leave it down in the comment section below. What deal do you want to see next? We want to make it happen. Also have a very special, let me look at my calendar here while I have you all. Next Wednesday, we have a special promotion. It will be for VCG construction only. It is going to be at one of the major retailers. It will be 15% off. I am just hammering down if it will be on top of the current promotions as well. So there can be some stacking deals. It's going to be a huge, huge deal. It's going to be a flash sale. Will last for like 24 hours only, but it's going to be huge. Get subscribed, enable all notifications. That is happening on the 20th. You're not going to want to miss that. I got to get back to it. I hope you had the best rest of your day ever and the best rest of the week. I hope to see you all on the next one.